What was indeed heartening in Ukraine was to catch up with some young professional artists in Ukraine and their deep love for Indian culture, Indian history, and Indian civilizational ethos. I caught up with some Bharatnatyam dancers and some classical folk dancers. Some who've been learning Bharatnatyam and performing for the past 20 years. Some who've started just a couple of years ago. There are some dance schools here, traditional Indian dance schools here, where they've been learning Bharatnatyam for 30 years, 20 years, and passing on that knowledge to future generations. I also caught up with some dancers who are learning the more popular Bollywood dance forms, the Indian Hindi film industry, hugely popular here in Ukraine. In fact, they hope that the film industry would come and shoot much more in Ukraine. That's the kind of shooting Ukraine wants and not the kind of shooting that we see at the borders. I bring you more in this report. बहुत मेहनत से ये कलबेला जो जबरदस्त फोक डांस है इंडिया का थिरकने पर मजबूर कर देता है जो भी ये संगीत सुनते हैं उनको, और यूक्रेन के ये कलाकार इस सुंदर संगीत के साथ हैं। उनकी डांस गुरु और ग्रुप लीडर भी हमारे साथ हैं। कब से आपका डांस ग्रुप यहाँ पर यूक्रेन में परफॉर्म कर रहा है, क्योंकि आपको तो बहुत पुराना यहाँ का सरस्वती इंडिया डांस स्कूल तो 30 साल से ज्यादा से है।
We are 32 years old and the school was established in 1992.
तो मतलब यूक्रेन का जन्म हुआ 1991 में और 1992 में ये स्कूल भी बन गया। तो कैसे शुरुआत की आपने?
The school is 32 years old. We have a lot of students from different age, from 5 to 65, different age groups. We dance classical dances, different classical styles. We dance different folk dances from different parts of India, and we dance Bollywood as well.
What drew you to Indian dance? Why did you start Bharatnatyam and Kalbelia?
Because of energy, I guess. I like the spirit of this dance and the deep meaning of each dance performance. For me, it's very deep knowledge about life.
For me, maybe because it's something special and not a lot of people know how to do it, and I like to be everywhere first and to do the perfect things.
And is there a lot of interest in Ukraine about India and Indian dance? Nakshatra is the name of this dance group, and they've been performing Bharatnatyam outstandingly well. A lot of deep interest in India, in Indian culture, in Indian philosophy. And with me is Victoria Bornikova and her group. Victoria, what drew you to the Bharatnatyam dance form?
It was our parents. Me and my sister were born into a family who was deeply interested in Indian culture before we were born, so we grew up with all the bhajans, classical ragas and everything. So when we turned 7-5, we joined our school of our guru.
And tell me more about your dance guru and how long have you been learning this dance form?
Our dance guru is Anna Smirnova Rajhans. She is a great guru, our heart of our school. And we had been with her for the past 20 years. So for the past 20 years, we are learning from her, dancing. And for the past, I think, 10, 11 years, I'm teaching in the same school.
Brilliant. So we have Victoria, we have Ulena, we have Hana, we have a number of artists. And let me begin by asking you, what drew you to this dance form, and how long have you been learning Bharatanatyam?
I have been learning Bharatanatyam 13 years. I like this dance because this dance has not only moving, it's deep meaning. Every mantra or every mudras has his own meaning, and it's not only performance. It's just meaning the scene from from Ramayana, from Mahabharata. Yeah.
So you've read the Ramayana, you've read the Mahabharata, is it?
Yeah, I like Rama. We have a dance for Rama, and Rama was very good king, да?
Да.
Yes, and I like it because he has his own view for life and for his country. For first place, he did all for his nation, for his people.
This is truly a moment that leaves you humbled. The amount of love, affection and devotion to the Sanatan Dharma, to Indian culture, to Indian dance and art form from these Ukrainian artists who truly are friends of India. Gaurav Sawant in Kiev, Ukraine for India.